What is NMN, you might find yourself asking, especially if you've been following the latest trends in the health and wellness sector. Nicotinamide mononucleotide, or NMN, has received significant attention in recent years as a promising ingredient in longevity products. Scientific research on NMN, mainly rooted in animal cell studies, claims the substance to not only be slowing down aging, but, in some aspects, even reverse it. As we age, cells of our body lose some of their function, which shows up as the typical signs of getting older. Your hair turns gray, skin wrinkles, and your muscles get weaker. This happens in part because your body's levels of a molecule called NAD+ decrease as you age. Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, or NAD+, is vital for various metabolic reactions needed for survival. And as its levels drop, the processes that lead to aging and disease development start to set in. One particular scientist may help us to better understand NMN and NAD+. Enter Dr. David Sinclair, a longevity expert who has been researching the topic for more than 20 years. While taking NMN himself, he proclaims being a living testament to the benefits of NMN. According to him, his own biological age is much younger than his chronological age of 54. Dr. Sinclair believes that understanding and boosting NAD+ levels through NMN supplementation can be the key to unlocking a longer, healthier life.
NAD levels control our health and our longevity. There are ways to boost NAD levels naturally. One way is to exercise, one way is to be hungry, and another way is to take a supplement which consists of a precursor to NAD. A number of people have taken to trying these molecules in a way to get the levels of NAD back up to youthful levels.
The first thing to understand is that NMN serves as a precursor to NAD+. In simpler terms, a precursor is a substance from which another substance is formed. In this case, NMN gets converted into NAD+. This process happens in our cells. NMN molecules are transformed into NAD+, and then NAD+ gets to work. But what is NAD+, and what does it do? It's a molecule that exists in every cell of your body and plays a vital role in DNA repair, gene expression, cell communication, and immune system regulation. NAD+ is an active participant in a variety of cellular processes. In the mitochondria, a cell part responsible for making energy. Imagine the mitochondria as an energy plant in a city, and NAD+ is like the electrical engineer that ensures many parts of the plant are running smoothly, ultimately keeping the entire city, your body, powered and vibrant. NAD+ also participates in your body's internal clock regulation, or circadian rhythms. Said rhythms are necessary to keep your sleep and wakefulness cycle in check. It also regulates cellular functions and communication, directing important processes like growth, response to oxidative stress, and self-repair. As we age, the levels of NAD+ decline significantly, reducing the efficiency of these cellular functions which contribute to aging and development of various diseases. Interestingly, NMN is not the only NAD+ precursor. There are several NAD+ precursors. Some can come from our diet, such as vitamin B3-rich foods. Some are particular molecules that are sold as ingredients of longevity products, such as NMN and NR. All of these precursors can end up as NAD+. But NMN is currently assumed to raise NAD+ levels most efficiently due to its molecular structure. Moreover, it has some particular health-positive effects, especially in disease populations that are observed to a lesser extent with other NAD+ precursors. However, it is still a highly debated field since the evidence is only emerging, and it can change any day with more studies being conducted on humans. Animal, specifically rodent, studies show a wide variety of possible benefits of NMN. For reference, NMN shows a capability to improve glucose tolerance and insulin secretion. Limited studies with humans indicate that NMN may increase muscle insulin sensitivity. It may provide a positive impact on blood glucose control. However, it is not clear what the exact effects are when using products containing NMN daily and what dosages are required to reach positive effects. Secondly, holding anti-inflammatory properties and possible reduction of neural cell death, that is, helping protect brain cells, NMN shows potential to reduce oxidative stress inside cells. This can be very promising in the future research of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Cognitive function is another area where NMN shows promise. It may improve learning and memory. This could contribute to addressing mental decline in aging populations. NMN may offer potential benefits for heart function. Early research primarily conducted on mice indicates that NMN could minimize tissue damage in scenarios where blood flow is restricted. The mechanism where that happens can lead to strain of the heart, a potential risk of some serious heart event, for example, heart attack. But this is still an area of active scientific investigation. NMN may even help you feel more energetic. Aging often leads to decreased energy and stamina, but NMN, being a potent NAD+ booster, may counter this by enhancing cellular energy production. One of the benefits of NMN that's the most talked about by experts like Dr. David Sinclair is the ability to reduce DNA damage. DNA damage occurs when the genetic material inside our cells gets altered. Without proper repair mechanisms in place, cells can start malfunctioning. It is crucial to note that most of these benefits of NMN have been seen in animal studies, and more comprehensive human research is needed. But it does look promising nevertheless. NMN is a potent substance with many claimed benefits. From improving glucose metabolism and enhancing cognitive function to its potential in extending lifespan, NMN sits at the forefront of the longevity trend. If you're interested in diving deeper into the world of health and wellness, biohacking, and scientific research on NMN, click the link in the description below. You'll find some trusted NMN products there to kickstart your journey to longevity. Also, make sure to hit the subscribe button, share it with anyone who might find it useful, and don't forget to like our videos.